Hey, what's up guys, this is Art, and in this video I just wanted to show you some proof of this case study. So I was promoting this product right here called Easy Arbitrage, released by Jamie Lewis. Now to promote it, I didn't use my email list and I didn't use any paid traffic, which means that the only traffic source I used was the one that I'm going to reveal to you inside this case study. It's a free traffic source, and as you can see, it converts like crazy. Now, I only got 156 clicks, but I got 44 sales from it with 29% conversions, $5 EPC, and I made a total of $789.80. Now, I'm going to show you that I didn't use my email list in a second, but as you can see from my normal promotions, I send 650, 500, 300, 370 clicks right here. So these are the ones that I use my email list for. Now I didn't use my email list right here, and as you can see, I only got 156 clicks, and this is from that free traffic source only. Now let me just show you that Easy Arbitrage launched on the 16th of December 2019, and I'm actually going to show you my Abero account. Okay, so as you can see, on the 16th of December I actually had a webinar. This was my own webinar, the 100k training, and as you can see, I didn't promote Easy Arbitrage. I had to promote my webinar, and that's how I realized that this free traffic source is so powerful. Okay, so as you can see, I didn't promote Easy Arbitrage via email at all because I had the webinar, and then obviously I had the replay. So as you can see, all of these emails are about this 100k webinar and then about the replay. Okay, so I finished right here on the 19th. Okay, so I didn't promote this with my email list at all. The only thing I used is this free traffic source I'm going to share with you on site. As you can see, it converts like crazy. You can make a ton of money. And again, I didn't use any paid traffic. I didn't use my existing email list and anything else apart of this free traffic source. So I'm super excited to share this free traffic source with you and the whole strategy behind it. So I will see you inside the members area. Ciao.